a major turning point for you was reading the Bible for yourself, and not just reading, but reading with an open mind to understand it. Specifically, passages like you mentioned John 1 and John 10:30. In the INC, members are often told they can't understand scripture without a minister, correct? So what was it like to begin reading those verses plainly without this sort of filter of a minister or the administration and their text, their, cut and paste answers or
Yeah.
interpretations?
So looking back at it, it definitely makes sense why I was saved a year ago and not 26 years ago, because maybe 26 years ago, if I would encounter Christians or encounter people that I'm trying to invite into INC, I would ask the minister, hey, like, this is what my friend said. What is our answer for this? Right. And the minister, doesn't matter who you ask, they have the same exact answers and the same exact verses, which, I mean, I guess it's not a bad thing, right? It's the Bible. But if you truly look at the context of the verses, they're not really answering your question, and they're not going to be answering the question of another person for sure.
Okay. Paminsan akala nila na may karapatan silang bumasa ng Biblia. Kaya, tingnan natin yung John 10:30 na sinasabi niya. I and my Father are one. Tapos, tuldok. Tapos, dinugtungan nila ng God. Mali po yun. Mali. So, basahin natin mula sa taas. Pinakaunang mga talata nito. Ano bang pinag-usapan ng ating Panginoong Hesukristo sa talatang yan? So, John chapter 10 verse 26 hanggang 29, basahan natin. Datapwat hindi kayo nagsisisampalataya sapagkat hindi kayo sa aking mga tupa. Dinirinig ng aking mga tupa ang aking tinig, at sila'y aking nakikilala at sila'y nagsisunod sa akin. Sila'y binibigyan ko ng walang hanggang buhay, at kailanmay hindi sila malilipol, at hindi sila aagawin ng sinuman sa aking kamay. Ang aking Ama na sa kanila ay nagbigay sa akin ay lalong dakila kaysa sa lahat, at hindi sila maagaw ninuman sa kamay ng Ama. Ako at ang Ama ay iisa. So clearly, ang pinag-uusapan nito, yung pangangalaga sa tupa. So mali na naman yung iniisip ng dalawang ito. So, bye! Yun lang.